Two good things I saw in Aubrey's report. First of all, that strong sunshine. We like to see that. And you noticed a little bit of standing water, a little bit of melting going on. Now, this is the visible satellite view. We often use this during our noon broadcast and 4 o'clock. And as you glance at this, you're saying, well, wait a minute. It's sunny. How come it's showing up cloud? No, it's not showing clouds. That's the snow that fell. I actually had to take about 5 seconds. I said, it's not cloudy. No, it's picking up on the snow. Now, our temperatures are getting above the freezing mark in some locations, and sure, we will get, I think, to the mid-30s in most spots today, but the melting is going to be minimal tomorrow. Much more melting in the afternoon. 35 Bogalusa, 31 your current temperature at the airport. Cold weather advisory again in effect tonight from 6 p.m. until 10 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. Wind chill factors in the teens and 20s. Teens on the North Shore, 20s elsewhere. We're at 31 right now at Louis Armstrong International Airport. Extremely low dew point at 14. With our winds from the northeast at 7, those winds getting a little bit lighter. They're going to get lighter for us this evening and overnight. Still going to have a breeze at about 3 to 5, I think, by tomorrow morning. But let's take a look at the temperatures. This is what everybody's concerned about. We'll get to the mid-30s in most locations, maybe 37 at the airport with a northeasterly wind over the lake, but let's just call it mid-30s today. Then tomorrow morning, cold again. I showed you that cold weather advisory. Close to 20 on the North Shore, mid to upper 20s elsewhere. Now, the clouds actually increase for us a little bit overnight, but as we get to the later morning and afternoon, they should be breaking up. So again, tomorrow, I think we'll see some pretty strong sunshine late morning, afternoon, and now we're getting warmer tomorrow afternoon, mid-40s. That's good, but then it gets bad Thursday night into Friday, because Friday morning, we're going to be below freezing in most locations, and that means that the stuff that melts, a refreeze is a possibility. It's not a word that I had used in about 20 years, but I think that's what we're going to have Friday morning with the melting going on in the afternoon on Thursday. Now, Friday afternoon, here's the warming trend with a lot of sunshine, upper 40s as we look toward Friday, and then even warmer for the weekend. So here's your forecast for this afternoon. Sunny and cold, less breezy, high temperature, mid-30s. Tonight, cold weather advisory in effect. Goes into effect at 6 o'clock. It's in effect till 10 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, increasing clouds. Not as cold, but still cold. Mostly sunny, warmer with some melting tomorrow. High temperature in the low to mid-40s. And boy, that warming trend doesn't get into a high gear. It gets into the left lane and it's throwing on the yellow flashes and saying, get out of my way. Look at that, mid-60s Sunday. We're going to love that. 72 on Monday. So I guess by Sunday and Monday, the snow, the ice, completely history. Let's check the roads. Here's Brandy with a look at traffic.